I fell once. Yeah, it's just the ice. So you get into right here. It's not deep. Your skin is like, yeah, it's just, yeah, the ice is very, very soft. Yeah. Oh, hey, they said it was. They said it was a friendly match, so we went easy and they went crazy.
A vidi Grecki. To je to za promjenu pravca petanja. Koliko tu ima nijansa.
Saša, bliže cunja! Ne tako velik krug! O, dobar dan.